sorry. Sorry.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Ayan, Direk, first of all, congratulations po sa That Kind of Love. Worth the wait po talaga, lalo ni mga Barda fans, yung reaction. And yung reaction po, ng ganda po at yung positive yung response. At kilig na kilig sila.
Salamat. Are you a Barda fan?
Yes! And Pilay.
Thank you. Sana talagang supportahan nyo kami hanggang July 10. At humaba pa. Like what I said kanina, pwede balik natin, diba, yung liksi ng industriyang ito, di ba? Medyo matagal-tagal tayong hindi nakakapanood ng mga rom-com. Actually, I didn't know na ganito kaganda ang reception ng mga fans.
Exactly, pinaghandaan.
And I am happy kasi talagang they supported the film. And worth naman. Thank you. Mahaba nga lang, pero hindi nyo naman naramdaman ang haba.
Yes, so sobrang kilig sa eksena ng mga Barda. Masarap na lang nilang
Nag-media con kasi nandun kasi kami, no? Tapos nakita namin kung gaano talaga ka-prepare. And then yung Korean scene, napakaganda ng visual. Kudos to you, Direk, napakaganda. Any memorable naman, shooting Barda, nahirapan po ba kayo? Or talagang kilig ba talaga yung naramdaman nyo rin?
Actually, habang sinushoot ko sila, kinilig ako sa kanila eh. Yung personality kasi nila, they complement each other.
Yes.
Diba? David being so very, as it is, like quiet, very gentleman and all, and Barbie naman very bubbly and all. When I look at them, when I give instructions to them, sobrang parang natural for them to do it. Of course, as a director, kailangan mong i-guide when it comes to version na gusto mo. Titimplahin mo, di ba? So, may mga times na kailangan mong, oops, ito, gawin natin to make the love team more, natural and genuine to look at. Hindi yung bilet, di ba? So, siguro hindi ako nahirapan when it comes to David, kasi close to his personality.
Yes.
Yeah, close to his personality. That's why hindi siya ganun na mahirap na ilabas sa kanya. Pero pag nakita mo naman yung confrontation nilang dalawa. It's very hirap din nun.
Nakita ko yung improvement talaga ng acting ni David talaga. Nakita niyo rin po ba yung parang yung growth niya?
Yes, kasi of course before I shoot them, inano ko siya, pinag-aralan ko rin yung mga shows niya. Tinignan ko at some point saan ako pwedeng mag-adjust.
Yes.
Ano ko siya i-handle in such a way na I can bring out yung what's good and what's the best in him. Actually, ano pa yan, may ilalabas pa yan. This one is just a preliminary offering for all of you. Watch out if this one made us a good success, then you'll expect a sequel for this one.
Wow!
Kasi on July 10, please, let's try to support this film para at least mas marami pa tayong ma-reach na ibang mga taong makaka-appreciate ng rom-coms natin, di ba? And makaka-appreciate ulit pumunta sa mga sinihan para
Direct si Barbie, pang mature na talaga yung atake niya dito. Ganun ba talaga yung binigay niyo talaga?
Yes. If you see, di ba, this is not just a rom-com na parang pakilig-kilig lang and all. There's maturity in it. And wala siyang masyadong subplots na kailangan ng medyo mabigat, di ba? It's just you have to feel the love for each other, the two different individuals searching for love, di ba? Tapos nandun sa kanila na face to face, hindi nila maamin, di ba? That's the magic of love, di ba?
One more thing na lang, you've done Barda, which is isang sikat na love team sa GMA, and we're aiming for Kim Pao. Have you heard Kim Chiu and Paolo Albelino?
You know, teleserye din kasi like Barda, diba?
Are you willing to do?
I'm from ABS-CBN for the longest time. Okay, and then when I put up my production company, I chose a lot of, rosters of artists. It just so happened that when I planned for this love story for this film, nakita ko yung dalawa. I didn't know that they're this big, ha?
Yeah.
I was really so blessed nung nalaman ko na GMA really entrusted them to me kasi parang it's so hard for me to get a phenomenal love team. So, yes. Excuse me, saan? Saan? Okay. Okay.
What was the most difficult scene directing both of them?
The most difficult scene is the confrontation. I said it, yeah.
But overall, directing them individually, what was hardest for you?
Well, I cannot say that I had the hardest, because I just had fun directing them because they are brilliant and intelligent actors. They listen, they really respect my vision, and then they follow. So siguro sa lahat ng director, kung gano'n yung mga artista mo, wala kayong magiging problema. It won't be hard for me. We had fun, really had fun doing the film.
You were contented with all the actors also, the rest of the actors?
Yes. So talagang sobra silang, actually I am very grateful to all of them kasi sobra nilang minahal yung konsepto. So wala akong nakitang nagbigay ng less of their passion and less of their effort invest ng best time. Thank you. Sige. Thank you po. Ako. Ano po?
Ayan, quick question na lang po, Derek. Na-mention na po kanina na you work on ABS-CBN before Salud na po. And biglaan po yung sa Barda kasi nga po, naging famous sila sa...
Hindi siya biglaan actually, no? Talagang tama ba yung word na biglaan? It's just that nakita ko yung chemistry nila together. But I am not kasi familiar with the love team.
Okay.
Sa kabilang network.
Kasi first Maria Clara pa lang yung ginawa nila
yun yung
before.
Maria Clara. And unfortunately, hindi ko siya gano'n na nasubaybayan.
Okay.
But I hear them. And I know Barbie kasi magaling talagang umarte. So syempre for the longest time, I've been in ABS, mga teleseries ko and all. Doon ako exposed, doon ako invested, di ba? So when I put up my production company, of course, different actors na open. No, I don't really mind getting actors from other network kasi gano'n naman ngayon, di ba? They have this collaboration. So when I first met nga yung tandem nilang dalawa and we had a script reading, I was really talagang, oh my God, pagpasok pa lang ni David, parang si Adam de Dios na to. Pagpasok ni Barbie, parang si Milagros Maharlika na to. So doon na nabuo, hanggang sa na-inspire ako to, shoot it na. Ang dami, masyadong mahal yung film, kaya it took us a while to complete it. And me being perfectionist and all, I wanted really to showcase meron pa nga akong mga nakita kanina, hindi ko na sasabihin, but I hope you appreciate the film.
And is there a plan po ba na pwede kayo makapag-produce ng movie with the, like now po yung Kim Pao po kasi sikat na sikat sila with their two series
Kapamilya.